Minister of Basic Education Siviwe Gwarube is saying that the 40 students that were found out in the exam breach last year 2025 will not get their results until the investigation is concluded. This story of students copying during exam just reminds me of my time in high school. In high school, there was common knowledge. We all knew that European students in these private schools and even Indian students, their teachers would just let them copy during exam. We all knew it was common knowledge, and we used to complain and laugh about it and say, those students, their teachers just let them copy. Why don't our teachers let us copy during exam? Because we are struggling as much as them. Which just reminds me that, European students, Indian students, and other people make sure that their students pass. Like, they make sure that they pass. They even brief them during exam. They even make sure that they read the question paper and look for, maybe questions that could trick the students. And they would explain those questions during exam. I think that's the reason at some point they were complaining. Even the Department of Education was complaining that maybe they should have invigilators that are not part of the school, because obviously you will feel for your own students, right? So it's only us Africans that we make sure that our students adhere to the law, adhere to the rules. Like, we want them to be, good people. Are we going to be good people, or we want to succeed in life? That's the question. Wouldn't I want my child to succeed and try by any means necessary to make sure that they pass the exam? Because if they pass the exam, even if they cheated, they'll still go to university. They'll still get those perfect jobs, get, promotions. Imagine if your, matric results, you get like 60s, 70s. Like, even in a job interview, when they check that matric certificate, it's as good as a degree. You'd get more jobs than an ordinary person who just has an ordinary matric. So, not saying that black people or Africans should condone cheating, but man, sometimes we need to know how to play the game. If other people are doing such things, we need to follow suit and make sure that we take advantage, because we cannot allow like everyone getting ahead of us. We know what they are doing, but we are not even doing the same thing. Man, like, we need to copy other people who are clever and know how to finesse the game. But anyways, in this instance, unfortunately, these 40 students, they might not get the results. They might have to rewrite these exams. Yeah, man, these kind of things happen.